What's up, Evie gang? What's up, y'all? If y'all want to see my skin regimen, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so today I am giving y'all the inside scoop of what I use on my face on a daily basis. You feel what I'm saying? Ooh, that rhyme. Wait, what I said? Face, daily base. Anyway, alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give y'all what I use on my face on a daily basis, as well as some other products that you might find helpful for your skin regimen as well. So y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So I have drugstore and high-end, so I'll let y'all know what was drugstore and what was high-end as well. So the first thing that I use every single day is this bad boy here, honey. This is the Supercleanse by Glam Glow. This is what it looked like. Y'all, I've been having this since December. I've been using this on my face every day since December. And when I tell y'all, it's still like, this is how full it is. Like, this is how much I have left. You literally only need like a dime size. Y'all, when I tell y'all this, listen, this is on the little higher end side. This is $32, but I promise it is $32 worth the money. You feel me? Y'all, it's a charcoal based cleanser. It goes from cream to foam. Excuse me, lost my train of thought. It goes from cream to foam, so you literally need like this much. Rub it in your hand with warm water and apply it on your skin. Y'all, when I tell you I have not had any breakouts on my skin since I've been using this, and when I did have a breakout, I just continued to use this and it was gone within 2 days, my little pimple. So you can use this morning and night. Y'all, this my baby. Like, it's $32, but this is going to be parts of me until I find something else. I have my Dr.Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliator. Y'all, this bad boy minimizes my skin and my pores so small. I use this all the time. Like, when I know that I'm about to beat my face, I always exfoliate with this first, because it minimizes the heck out of your pores, y'all. And it also reduces the appearance of textured skin, and it gives you a deep cleanse. So this is probably on the higher end side too. I got this out of the BoxyCharm box. And by the way, y'all, this video is not sponsored, okay? Then nobody buy this stuff but me. Okay. Alright. So after I do these two, I go in with my Sea Breeze and my Witch Hazel. Now, y'all, let me put y'all in on a little secret. When I had a pimple right here. I got a Q-tip and I put some Sea Breeze on that Q-tip. And I put that Sea Breeze all over that pimple, y'all. Then when it dried, I put this Witch Hazel on it. I dehydrated the mess out of that pimple. That pimple was gone the next day, y'all. This should be part of y'all's holy grail when it comes to y'all skin regimen. Like, I highly, highly, highly recommend this. The Sea Breeze, it gets deep down in your pores. It cleans everything out that your cleansers don't get. So after you do your cleansers, just go behind your cleansers with a cotton ball and a Sea Breeze and just put it all over your face. It's gonna draw out literally everything that cleanser did not get. This is this my baby. Like, and then the witch hazel I use as a piggyback off of my Sea Breeze. That also, it minimizes my pores, it takes away all the redness in my face, and I found that this actually helps with the brightness of my skin. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera right now, but my skin is like stupid bright. This minimizes the pores and it minimizes the redness of the skin. So after I do that, y'all, I always go in, so I do my cleansers and my exfoliators first, then I go behind it with my toners, which is the Sea Breeze and the witch hazel. Then after that, I go in with my moisturizers. Now y'all, this Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment is thebomb.com. Now I paid $22 for this, but it's worth it. I've had this since December, and look, I'm just now getting like halfway into the pot. Literally, a little goes a long way. I use this every single night, every night. After I use my witch hazel and my Sea Breeze, I always go in with my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer that has SPF 15 in it, or I'll go with my Walmart brand Equate. It's an off-brand for Cetaphil, and I would use this as my moisturizer. Now, I am mainly dry. I have like probably combination skin because I'm usually only dry around my mouth, my nose, like the bridge of my nose, and in between my brows. So I think I would call myself combination skin because I get oily under here sometimes. But this works for even if you're dry or oily. So I use this more than I actually use the Aveeno, but I'll alternate. So yeah, so you can get these four. You can get these four from your local CVS or your local Walmart. So those will be your drugstore, and then you can get these three from Sephora, and you can get these three from Sephora and Ulta. So Sephora for these two, and then Ulta for here for under Dr.Brandt. So yeah, y'all, those are my daily basis go-to products for my skin regimen. These are the things that I use each and every day. So I'm gonna show y'all again. I use my Glam Glow Supercleanse, my Dr.Brandt pore exfoliator, my witch hazel and the Sea Breeze, the Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment from Glam Glow, and then my Aveeno and my off-brand Cetaphil. So yeah, so those are my go-to. Now, when I'm feeling fancy and I just want to chill and hang out and, you know, just relax, I would do mask. So I got these three masks from Walmart from the brand Spascriptions, excuse me. And you have these three. You have the rose, the cucumber, and the gold. And I would just use these masks. These are good for this one is good for moisture, and then these two are good for tightening and fine lines, and I think age defying, I can't remember, but I got these from Walmart for $6. So I use these when I want to be fancy and use a mask, or I would use these. These are also drugstore masks. I got these from Ulta. Well, it's not really drugstore, but they're drugstore prices. But I got these from Ulta. This is a hydrating moisturizing peel mask, and this is a exfoliating mud clay mask. So when I want to feel fancy and want to just sit around and lounge with a mask on, I would use these two. So yeah, y'all, that's my skin regimen, y'all. I hope y'all like it. I hope that I helped y'all. I hope that y'all would try some of these things out, and if you do, just let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or where you can get these items from, again, just let me know in the comments. And what else? Did I miss anything? I think that's about it, y'all. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop me some love in the comments, as well as questions, comments, concerns. You shouldn't have any concerns, but hey. And then once you're finished with that, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of Evy gang. Come on over to EVYs LAND, baby. And once you're finished with that, go ahead and hit that bell up top so you can get all of my post notifications when I post new content on this channel, honey. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much. I hope you all have a blessed night. Well, it's night now. So yeah, yeah, like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and like always, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.